What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford CMAX remote key fob. This Ford CMAX key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a smaller flathead screwdriver. So if we take our screwdriver and we grab our key fob, and we look on the side of the key fob, we see there's this cutout right here, this notch, and there's another one just like it on the other side. What I'm going to do is pick one of those notches, and then I'm going to take my screwdriver and put it in the crack of this case in that notch. So put it right in the center of that notch in that crack, and then I'm going to push my screwdriver in. And then after I push it in a little bit, and it goes in as far as it can, I'm going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart. And then go ahead and pull the case apart like that. And as you're pulling this apart, you want to try to pull it kind of straight apart like this as much as possible because of this tab on the bottom. But anyway, once we get that case apart, we see our battery right here. And this battery is kind of already coming out of this holder. But if yours doesn't pop out, you can just get under the edge of it with a finger or your screwdriver and get it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, the side that has that metal clip on it. So tuck that edge in first, like that. Tuck that edge in first, and then snap it down into place. And then we can put these two halves back together. And that tab I was talking about on the bottom right here, that I'm touching with the end of my finger, you can kind of line that up first in that hole. And then snap it back together, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.